welcome to ACE Online, and in this particular video I'm back with a series of the topics that we are discussing for the upcoming examinations, and the topic that we are going to discuss in today's lecture is coding decoding. So if you are and if you know someone who are preparing for such competitive exams, mainly for the banking and SSC, then you can refer these kind of videos with them so that they can also join us and do practice with us, right? So in the previous lecture, what we did, we just started our topic coding and decoding, and we also saw the tricks just to remember the associated numbers of the alphabets, right? हमने alphabets की associated numbers की और यहाँ ही साथ opposite pairs की trick को discuss किया था कल की क्लास में, ठीक है? आज कोडिंग डिकोडिंग के हम कुछ और टाइप्स को देखेंगे, ठीक है? पिछले लेक्चर में हमने कुछ टाइप्स कवर कर लिए, आज कुछ और टाइप्स कवर करेंगे, ठीक है? सो ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते, स्टार्ट करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन के साथ. सो दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Although these kind of questions sometimes are considered in the symbols and notations, but if we do talk about the banking syllabus, then these kind of questions are also comes under the coding decoding, right? So the question is saying that if P denotes subtraction, Q denotes division, R denotes multiplication, and W denotes addition, then this means. So first what we have to do, we just simply have to replace all these alphabets with the given signs, mathematical operation signs, and after that what we need to do, we need to calculate our answer. So again, what we are going to do, we are just going to follow the same pattern. I am giving you a time period of like 5 to 10 seconds so that you can also start solving it, and after that what we will do, we will discuss it, right? वैसे तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी है, एनीवन कैन इजीली एबल टू डू. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, चलो इसे डिकोड करना स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. 48 Q means dividation, okay, and after that we are having 12. Then we are having R, that means multiplication. Then we are having 10. Then we are having P, which means subtraction. Then we are having 8, W, which means plus, and we are having 4. Now whenever we are having these kind of questions, we also need to take care of the BODMAS rule that we are having, right? So first we will solve this segment. So I'll get 4, right? 4 into 10, which is 40. So ultimately I am having 40 minus 8 plus 4, right? So if I solve this particular thing, what I'll get? I'll get minus 4. So 40 minus 4, and the answer that I am getting over here is 36. Are we having 36 in our options? No, that means option number E is the correct one. ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द करेक्ट वन, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सिंपल BODMAS लॉजिक हमें लगाना था एंड वी विल गेट द आंसर, राइट? नेक्स्ट, ओके, सो दीज आर द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ वेराइटी दैट वी आर हैविंग. सो द क्वेश्चन इज सेइंग दैट स्टडी द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन केयरफुली एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन गिवन बिलो. एंड हमारे पास यहाँ पे कुछ कोड्स लिखे हुए हैं, ठीक है? So whenever you are having these kind of questions, we know that first we need to focus on the most common data that we are having, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, हमें क्लूज के गो थ्रू होना है और सबसे कॉमन डेटा जो सब या फिर सबसे कॉमन वर्ड जो हमें दे रखा है वो हमें सबसे पहले पिक करके आंसर करना है, ठीक है? तो अगेन आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू फ्यू सेकेंड्स फॉर दैट सो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो स्टार्ट एंड सॉल्विंग इट, राइट? तो यहाँ पे जो सबसे ज्यादा कॉमन वर्ड मुझे यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रहा है, हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं जैसे लेट्स सपोज फॉरेस्ट. सी, फॉरेस्ट यहाँ पर भी है, थर्ड लाइन में भी है एंड द फोर्थ लाइन में भी है, ठीक है? अब मुझे ये देखना है कि कोड ऐसा कौन सा है जो तीनों लाइन में अवेलेबल हो. सो इफ यू विल सी हियर वी आर हैविंग लैन, इधर भी है और इधर भी है, ठीक है? सो वी कैन से दैट फॉर अ वर्ड फॉरेस्ट, the code that we are using over here is len, right? The next one that we are having over here is if we see here we are having area. If you will see here what we are having area, but we also need to see that here we are having located and here also we are having located, right? Okay. But if you will see here we are having a word remote and here also I am having one word remote, and apart from this word there is nothing common in between first and the third line. So we need to focus on the code now. So the code that is common over here is fan. So we can say that for a word remote, what we are using a word fan, right? Okay. Apart from that, are we having some other common word? So if you will see here, we are having near, and here also we are having near. Apart from that, are we having anything common? Forest हमारा already हो चुका है, यहाँ पे area located है and यहाँ पे villages covered है. That means near is a new word, so we can say that here the common code that we are having over here is pan, right? So for the near, the code that we are having is pan, right? Okay. So the next word that we can relate over here is, okay, so the next word that we can consider over here is villages. The next common word that we can consider over here is villages, right? Villages we are having in the third line as well as in the fourth line. Apart from that, जो words हो गए उसको consider नहीं करना है. Apart from that, are we having anything common in between them? No. So we can easily able to find out the code for village. So for villages, or for the village, we are using a code C. Now if you will see in the third clue, we are only left with one word, that is along, and the only code that is how, right? That is how. Now if you will see in the fourth line as well, we are only left with the word covered, and the only code that we are having is U. Okay? But if you will see here, we are still left with few words like located, area and in. So with the help of this one, we can say that for area or located, we are using codes either did or can. But the fixed code we are not able to determine. हम यहाँ पे ये कह सकते हैं एरिया के लिए या फिर तो did यूज हुआ है या फिर can यूज हुआ है. सेम फॉर द लोकेटेड, या फिर तो did यूज हुआ है या फिर can यूज हुआ है. बट एग्जैक्ट कोड हम लोग अभी नहीं बता सकते. ठीक है. अब अगर हम लोग फर्स्ट क्लू की बात करें तो यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक वर्ड बचा है, दैट इज इन, एंड द ओनली कोड दैट इज नॉट, राइट? द ओनली कोड दैट इज नॉट. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास इतना तो डेटा आ गया. अब इस डेटा के अकॉर्डिंग हम लोगों को क्या करना होता है, हम लोगों को यहाँ पे कुछ क्वेश्चंस के आंसर करने रहते हैं. अब ये वाले जो सारे डेटा है वो मैंने आपके यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. ठीक है. यहाँ पे एरिया और लोकेटेड को हमने अलग अलग कैसे कर दिया. ओके, सो एरिया एंड लोकेटेड आर, दीज आर कॉमन, राइट? यहाँ पे आई गेस कुछ टाइपिंग एरर हुआ होगा, बट दीज आर व्हाट, दीज आर कॉमन, राइट? हम लोग फिर भी एक बार यहाँ पे से वापस से रेफर कर लेते हैं कि क्या हमारे पास कुछ डेटा ऐसा रह गया है क्या, या फिर कोई ऐसा वर्ड नहीं. तो बेसिकली एरिया एंड लोकेटेड के हम लोग कॉमन वर्ड ही यूज करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द कोड फॉर फॉरेस्ट इन द गिवन लैंग्वेज? तो फॉरेस्ट के लिए हमारे पास क्या आया था, लैन आया था. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट वन. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट वन. नेक्स्ट, What is the code of near in the given language? तो near के लिए हमने क्या कोड देखा था, that is pan. Option number A is the correct one. Next, what may be coded as not how? तो not हमारे लिए किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है, in के लिए यूज हो रहा है. ओके, एंड how किसके लिए यूज हो रहा है, how along के लिए यूज हो रहा है. So I need these two words and which is available in option number C. Along in option number C is the correct. ठीक है. So this is another type of coding decoding, and whenever we are having these kind of questions, what we need to do, we just simply need to focus on the common data. Now let's suppose if the question is asking what is the code for located, right? So I can just simply say it as it is either can or did. ठीक है. मैं none of these टिक नहीं करूंगी, या फिर तो either can और did बोलूंगी. अगर ये ऑप्शन में है तो, नहीं है तो I'll go with cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. ध्यान रखिएगा इनका आंसर none of these नहीं होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, Okay, so again next we are having a similar kind of question. So again I am giving you few time just to get the codes so that we can discuss it. चलो आई गेस अभी तक आप लोगों ने थोड़ा थोड़ा यहाँ पे देख लिया होगा. अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इनको थोड़ा पढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट आर वी हैविंग एनी कॉमन कोड और कॉमन वर्ड्स और नॉट, राइट. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. अगर मैं यहाँ पे देखती हूँ तो मुझे सबसे पहले गगन वर्ड कॉमन दिख जाता है, ठीक है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी आर नथिंग कॉमन इन बिटवीन द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट क्लू. सो द कॉमन कोड दैट वी आर हैविंग इज KZ, KZ. Okay, so we can say that for Gagan we are using KZ, right? Okay. गगन के बाद मुझे यहाँ पे दिख जाता है मंगेश एंड यहाँ पे मुझे मिल जाता है मंगेश. लेकिन if I'll see it carefully, here I am having Trilok and here also I am having Trilok. So I can't directly decide it. But if I'll again go through the some codes, are we having some other common words? No. So we can say that for Mangesh and Trilok, I can say that I can use either LX and CZ. I can use either LX or CZ. But the fixed code still I don't know. देखो यहाँ पे मंगेश एंड त्रिलोक है, यहाँ पर भी है, यहाँ पर भी है. मुझे इतना तो पता चल गया कि आंसर या फिर तो LX होगा या फिर CZ होगा, बट द फिक्स्ड आंसर आई एम नॉट एबल टू डिटरमाइन इट. नाउ इफ यू विल सी हियर इन द फर्स्ट लाइन, here in the first line we are left with just single word that is Suresh and single code that is AB. That means for Suresh we are using a word AB. तो अगर यहाँ पे सुरेश है and if you will see in the third line as well we are having Suresh. We are having Suresh, right? Now the next line. In the next line we can see here we are having Sanchit and here also we are having Sanchit. The common code that we are having over here is PC. So we can say that for a word Sanchit, we are using a code PC. Now in the second line, we are only left with the word Akash. Right? We are only left with the word Akash and the only code that is XC. So Akash is coded as XC. Right? Next. In the next one, we can say that here we are having a candy, a word candy, and here also we are having a word candy. That means the common code that we are having is VU. The common code that we are having is VU. So we can say that for a word candy, we are using VU, right? Now, if you will see in the third line, we are left with just one word that is Babita and the code is. Right? Now, in the fourth line, still we are left with two words and we are not having the sufficient data to determine it. So, we can say that Danny and John, both of them are coded as either NX or LK, right? So, these are what? These are my codes. Okay? अब again what we have to do? We have to answer few questions. So here you are having your table and you can easily able to answer it. Again I guess हम लोगों ने त्रिलोक और मंगेश में कुछ गड़बड़ कर दी है फिर से. Yes. So basically again मंगेश and त्रिलोक के codes are common. यहाँ पे codes क्या है हमारे? Common है. ठीक है? First word PCNAVU can be code of which of the following? So PC we are using for Sanchit, so we want Sanchit. Sanchit, okay, Sanchit, okay. Next, NA. NA is a new word, so for that we want new code for a new word, right? VU is for candy. That means we want a word candy, okay. Sanchit candy, okay. Denny. I guess for the Denny we are having NSLX, so this option is eliminated. For Suresh, we are using AB, so this option is also eliminated. If you will see here, Sherry is a new word, so we can say that yes, we can use this particular word because N is a new code and Sherry is also a new word. Option number B is the correct one. यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिएगा, अगर नया कोड आया है तो मतलब नया वर्ड भी आएगा, या फिर नया वर्ड आया तो नया कोड भी आएगा. We can't repeat the same code again and again. Next. ABLXVU. Okay. So VU is nothing but candy. AB is used for Suresh. So we want Suresh and candy. Suresh candy, Suresh candy, Suresh candy. Okay. The next one is LX. So LX is used for either Mangesh and Trilok. So Mangesh and Trilok. That means option number D is the correct one, either A or B. Either A or B. Next. Which can be the code of Gagan in the given language? So for the Gagan, we are having KZ. That means your option number B is the correct. Your option number B is the correct one. So questions are quite easy. All we need to do is we just simply need to understand the requirement and accordingly we need to give the answer. Next. Okay. So again, next is also a similar kind of question. So again, I am giving you few time just to get the codes and after that we will discuss it. Question is very simple. The same format or the same logic we need to apply. We need to focus on the most common data. अगर यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा लाइन जो आप कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, अगर उसमें मल्टीपल वर्ड्स कॉमन है तो थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखिएगा, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ज़रूरी नहीं है जो कोड आप सोच रहे हो वही आपका आंसर भी हो. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करें. ओके. So the question is saying that in a given code language, some statements are coded as follows. Okay. Children lost energy efficient. Parents energy maintain protein. So the common word that we got is energy. Low maintain content loss efficiency. So loss and efficiency both are common. Protein energy children parent. Okay. So the most common word that I got over here is energy. ठीक है. So the common code for this one is TR. So we can say that for a word energy, we are using TR, right? Next. The next common word that we are having over here is children. In first and the third line, apart from children and energy, are we having anything common? No. Energy का already हमें code मिल गया है, तो अब हमें focus करना है children पे. That is nothing but US. Children, US, right? Next. The next one that we can say over here is maintained. Maintain, right? In these two lines, are we having anything common apart from maintain? No. So the common code that we are having is QY. So we can say that for a word maintain, we are having QY, right? Now, if we will see here, we are having parent and protein. That means हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या नहीं कर सकते, एक फिक्स कोड नहीं फाइंड आउट कर सकते. सो वी कैन से दैट फॉर पेरेंट एंड प्रोटीन we are having what? We are having one common, we can say we are having the common clue, and which is nothing but Mn and Hz, right? Now, in the second line, if you will see, we are done with all the clues, right? In the second line, we are done with all the clues. Now, in the first and the third line, if you will see here, we are having common words, that is loss and efficiency. But we are not able to determine the fixed code for that because we are not having that much of data. So the codes are LO and RA, right? Right? Now the next one. If we will see in the third line, we are again left with two words, that is low and content, but we are not having any word to get the fixed clue. So we can say that this low and content is also struggling in the code TE and Y, right? So this is my table, and with the help of this one, what I need to do, I need to give few answers, right? So parent protein, loss efficiency, low content. Okay, this time the table is correct. Now, what we need to do, we need to give few answers. First one, which may be the code for energy low maintain. Okay, so for the energy, what I want TR. There's TR, there's no TR, so this option is eliminated, right? This is TR, okay. Low, where we are having low? For low, we are using either TE or Y. I want either TE or Y. For the maintain, I want QY. QY, QY. Now, for the low, I want either TE or Y. दोनों ही दे रखा है, that means option number E is the correct one. Either A or B is the correct answer. Either A or B is the correct answer. Next. Which of the following is code for HZ? HZ के लिए we are having two options. It may be the protein or parent. So here only parent is given, so we can't decide it. So option number E is the correct one. Cannot be determined. Cannot be determined. Next. Which of the following is a code for TR, US, QY? That is energy children maintain. TR, US, QY. Energy children maintain. Option number A is the correct one. Option number A is the correct one. तो एक बार अगर हमारे पास codes आ गए, then it's very easy to answer all these kind of questions. Next. Okay, so this is some other variety that we are having. इसमें क्या होता है? इसमें हमारे पास एक टेबल दे रखी होती है इस तरह की, ठीक है, और कुछ कंडीशंस दे रखी होती है। अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना होता है? टेबल को देखना है, टेबल को रेफर करना है, लेकिन साथ ही साथ कंडीशंस का भी ध्यान रखना है। अगर कोई भी वर्ड का अगर मुझे कोड पूछ रहा है और इनमें से कोई सी भी कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रही है, तो मुझे यहाँ पे चेंजेस करने हैं। So what we have to do in these kind of questions, whenever the question is asking the code for a certain word, I need to check whether any of the condition is applicable on it or not. If there is any condition which is applicable, then what I have to do, I have to make the changes accordingly, and after that only I need to give the answers, right? Okay, let's try to understand कि यहाँ पे इसको attempt कैसे करते हैं। जैसे first, the question is asking what is the code for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, so पहले एक बार conditions सारे पढ़ लेते हैं। The first condition is saying that if the first digit is an odd number and the last digit is an even number, then their codes are to be interchanged. देखो, अगर first digit odd हुई और last digit even हुई, तो मुझे इन दोनों के codes को interchange कर देना है। Second, if the first digit is even and the last digit is odd, then the third is to be the first digit. Okay, अगर बोला गया अगर first digit मेरी even है और last digit मेरी odd है, तो ऐसे वाले केस में जो थर्ड डिजिट है या थर्ड जो आपका अल्फाबेट है, एलिमेंट है, वो फर्स्ट वाले से रिप्लेस हो जाएगा, ठीक है। थर्ड, इफ द फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट डिजिट्स आर एन इवन नंबर, देन बोथ आर टू बी कोडेड एज अ लास्ट डिजिट। अगर आपको फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट दोनों ही यहाँ पे क्या है, इवन है, तो जो भी आपका लास्ट डिजिट का कोड होगा वही दोनों के लिए यूज होगा। Fourth condition, if both the first and the last digit are an odd number, then both are to be coded as a first digit. अब अगर first element और last element दोनों ही अगर odd है, तो first element का जो भी code है वही दोनों के लिए use होगा। Now if you will see here, we are having 1 and 5, both are odd numbers. That means यहाँ पे हमारी condition number 4th is applicable. कंडीशन 4th इज एप्लीकेबल। अब मुझे क्या करना है, फर्स्ट का जो कोड है उसी को दोनों से रिप्लेस करना है। दैट मीन्स ए। मेरा आंसर स्टार्ट भी ए से होगा, एंड भी ए से होगा। स्टार्ट भी ए से होगा, एंड भी ए से होगा। सो बेसिकली दीज 3 ऑप्शंस आर एलिमिनेटेड आउट ऑफ 5। नाउ ईदर ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट वन और ऑप्शन नंबर ई इज द करेक्ट वन। नाउ 2, 3, here we are having @ then we are having B, and then we are having D, right? So this will be my answer, and we are having the same thing in our option number B. So option number B is the correct one. Option number B is the correct one. Next. The next one is we need to find out the code for 41025. So what will be your answer? It's a very easy one. हमें पहले यहाँ पे requirements देखनी है, उसके बाद ये check करना है कि कौन सी condition fulfill हो रही है, which condition is fulfilling over here, and accordingly we will need to make the changes. देखो, 4 is my even number, 5 is my odd number. देखते हैं कौन सी condition fulfill हो रही है. यहाँ पे if you will see here the condition number second is fulfilled. Condition second is fulfilled, and the condition second is saying that जो भी third element है वो first से replace हो जाएगा. 4 के लिए D use हुआ है, that means first, second, third and fourth, fifth. मेरा आंसर कुछ इस तरीके से होगा, DAD. DAD. That means either option number C is the correct one or option number E is the correct one. Now the next 1 is nothing but A, then 2. Then that means @ and 5, that means hash. Are we having the same thing? Yes, that means my option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one, right? Next. Okay, now if you will see these numbers, you can easily able to identify which condition is applicable over here. The first and the last both are the even numbers or the even digits. So if both of them are the even digits, then both are to be coded as a last digit. That means जो 8 का code होगा वही हमें दोनों में use करना होगा. That means my answer should start with G and end with G. Either option number C is the correct one or option number E is the correct one. Now for the 7, we are having E, 1, A, 3, B. G, E, A, B, G, that means your option number C is the correct one. Your option number C is the correct one. Clear? So these type of questions are also very easy type. बस हमें यहाँ पे conditions का थोड़ा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. Next. The next one is odd and even. मतलब कौन सी condition fulfill हो रही है? We are fulfilling the condition number 1. I guess सारी condition use हो गई. Condition number 1, which says that the codes are interchanged. That means मेरा answer start होगा D से and end होगा A से. DA, DA, DA. Okay. So either option number D is the correct one or option number E is the correct one. Next, 3. That means DB. 0. That means $. Okay. Then 5. That means hash. That means your option number D is the correct. Your option number D is the correct one, right? Next. Okay. So here again we are having one more type of this question. Now the conditions are changed. Okay? Again we are having one table, but the conditions got changed this time. And the conditions are saying that first condition, if the first element is odd number and the last element is a vowel, then both are to be coded as a code for first element. Okay. अगर मेरे पास यहाँ पे odd और vowel का combination है, first and the last, then यहाँ पे first element, that means odd वाले number से ही दोनों को replace कर दिया जाएगा. Second, if first as well as the last element is odd number, then both are to be coded as a last element. अगर फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट दोनों ही मेरा क्या है, ऑड नंबर है, तो लास्ट वाले से रिप्लेस कर दिया जाएगा. थर्ड, इफ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज कॉन्सोनेंट एंड द लास्ट एलिमेंट इज वोवल, देन कोड ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड द लास्ट एलिमेंट आर टू बी इंटरचेंज. अगर मेरा पहला लेटर या पहला एलिमेंट वो कॉन्सोनेंट है एंड लास्ट वोवल है, तो दोनों को मुझे क्या कर देना है, इंटरचेंज कर देना है. If first element is consonant and last element is divisible by 3, then both are to be coded as @ अगर पहला कॉन्सोनेंट है और लास्ट नंबर 3 का डिविजिबल है या 3 से डिवाइड हो जाता है, तब दोनों को @ से रिप्लेस करना है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस वी आर हैविंग. 3, दिस इज माय ऑड नंबर एंड U इज माय वोवल. तो देखो क्या कोई कंडीशन फुलफिल हो रही है क्या? द फर्स्ट नंबर इज ऑड एंड द लास्ट इज वोवल, मतलब कंडीशन नंबर 1 ही एप्लीकेबल हो गई. यहाँ पे क्या एप्लीकेबल हो रही है, कंडीशन 1 एप्लीकेबल हो रही है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे काम करो, इसको इस तरीके से रिप्लेस कर लो, ठीक है, ये इस तरीके से रिप्लेस करना है, ओके। सो इफ इट इज सो देन फर्स्ट एलिमेंट से ही बाकी दोनों को करना है, तो दैट मीन्स स्टार्टिंग में भी मुझे ये साइन चाहिए और एंडिंग में भी मुझे ये साइन चाहिए, ओके। नाउ हमें मिड के कोड्स करने हैं, P that means the second word I need is a hash, that means this option is also eliminated. Now either option number C is the correct one or option number E is the correct one. Q that means I want the greater one, okay. And the next one is Z is plus, that means your option number C is the correct one. Your option number C is the correct one, right? Next. The next one is the first is consonant and the last is vowel. The first element is consonant and the last is vowel. Then the code of the first and the last to be interchanged. Okay, so the condition number third is applicable over here. So U ka code hai @ so my answer should be start with @ and Q, that means my answer should be start with this greater one, right? Okay, so this option is eliminated, this option is eliminated. And okay, I need to check both of these, right? Okay, so 9 exclamatory mark, फिर we are having Z, that means addition, and then we are having P, that means hash. So we are having this code in option number A. We are having this code in our option number A, right? So it's quite easy to attempt these kind of questions. Next. Consonant and divisible by 9. That means condition number 4 is applicable. Condition number 4 is applicable. That means my answer should be start with @ and end also with the @. Okay, so I need to check both of them. O is asterisk. And after that P is hash. And after that we are having Z, that means plus. That means your option number C is the correct one. Your option number C is the correct one, right? Next. The first is consonant and the last is also consonant. I guess we are not having such kind of condition, ठीक है? First condition में हमें odd number चाहिए, वो है नहीं, और हमें last odd number चाहिए, वो भी नहीं है. First element consonant, last vowel, वो भी नहीं है. First element कॉन्सोनेंट लेकिन लास्ट एलिमेंट नंबर होना चाहिए, वो भी नहीं है. दैट मीन्स अगर कोई सी भी कंडीशन एप्लीकेबल नहीं है तो जो अल्फाबेट है डायरेक्ट कोड कर देना है, ठीक है. तो R स्मॉलर देन X, दैट मीन्स दिस पावर. आफ्टर दैट P hash plus, and for the Q we are having this, okay. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one. So basically these type of questions are also very easy. All we need to do is we just simply need to cross check whether any of the condition is applicable or not. ठीक है. एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन भी फटाफट से कर लेते हैं. अगेन द सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन वी आर हैविंग. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फोकस, आर वी हैविंग एनी कॉमन वर्ड और नॉट. इफ वी आर हैविंग इट, अकॉर्डिंगली वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द कोड्स. सो आई एम अगेन गिविंग यू time period of 20 to 25 seconds, and after that what we will do, we just simply discuss it. So here what the question is saying, that question is saying in the given code language some statements are coded as follows, right? Okay, make your one happy, put work or to future happy, work to happy seek, make put to future one. Okay, so यहाँ पे if we will see what is the most common word that we are having. Okay, so in the first and then the fourth line we are having make and one common. After that in the second and in the fourth line we are having put two common, and future is also common. Okay, but if you will see here we are having one word to, which is common in these three codes, right? और इस टू के अलावा ऐसा कोई भी वर्ड नहीं जो तीनों में कॉमन हो. सो फॉर द टू, the code that we are using is XCI. For 2 we are using XCI, right? Next, the next one is happy. Happy happy, happy. Happy is the only word which is common in these three. So the common code is K-I-J. So for the happy, we are having K-I-J, right? Apart from that, if we will see, here we are having two words common, make one, right? In these two lines, first and the last one, we are having make one common. So the common code is R-H-I and G-I-G-J-Y, right? So we can say that for the make or for the one, we are having common code is G-J-Y and R-H-I. Now in the first line, we are only left with one word and one code. So we can say that your is coded as DFZ. Is coded as DFZ. Next. In the next one, we can say that here we are having a word work, right? Here also we are having a word work. And apart from that, there is nothing common. So we can say that for the work, the common code that we are having is FZK. For the work, we are having FZK. Now in the third line, we are left with the word C and the only code that is EHI, right? EHI. Now if you will see the second line and the fourth line, we are only left with two words, which is nothing but put and future, and the two codes, which is nothing but BZH and WIC. So these are my codes. Now what I have to do, again I have to answer few questions. Okay. So the table is correct this time. Now let's discuss the question. First, if future is exemplary, is coded as this one. So I guess future to हमारे पास था. So we are using either BHZ or VIC. Here we are using this word for the future. That means put we need to use for VIC. So here these two words will remain same and we want VIC. That means option number D is the correct. Option number D is the correct one. Next. What is the statement for the word this? KIG, that means happy. These two codes are used for make one, happy, make one, happy, make one, happy, no make one. So this option is eliminated. Happy, no make one. So this option is also eliminated. No happy, this option is eliminated. Happy, make one, right? Next. FKZ, that means work. I need a word work. So this 2 is eliminated and the correct answer over here is your option number B. The correct answer over here is your option number B. Next. In the last word, we need to find out the code for seek, that is nothing but EHI. Option number C is the correct one. Option number C is the correct one. Right? So these type of questions we are having the under coding decoding. So all you need to do is you just simply need to practice more and more so that you can easily able to identify the pattern and the codes. So with this one, let's end this video over here only. We'll meet in the next one. Till then, thank you.